Yeah. So okay. Okay, no way. So remove it from this side. It was this. So okay. Okay, no way. So remove it from this side. It was this. Remove it. It has to socket. Okay. So then I'll remove this one. That's good, my friend. Help other people how to remove the radio. So this is now a time. So just move the shifter. Okay, good. Just easy.
Oh, God bless me. You know everything.
Yeah, so this is, I remove it now. So this is good. We help other people. So now it's removed. You know, since it's body, you put your things. Okay, so now it's time for removing this pan. So we just need to. It's very easy. You just need it has all clips. But if you have experience, you see, you remove it very easily. Otherwise,
You know where you go.
You will, yes, you will break it. But be careful, like it
Do
is
not
only.
break it.
Yes, no, it's clips. Yeah, I know it, but it is only clips. You know, you have to.
Unclip it.
Now see,
Yeah.
it is very easy. So this is now the road is removed. Just needed to remove it. You just have to screw here. Remove this roller screws, one, and the second is this side. This is all right. Okay, it's good. Thank you. Just to screw, remove it. So we come to the bottom. Bottom, we remove this frame. And here we have one screw. So the driver side is also it's the same one. So one screw here on this side. I'll remove this one. This one just I take. So this one is screw this side. So in driver side also we have one. This is so far. So this is yes. So another screw also we have it. So we remove this screw. Okay. Now we need to remove this two screw also. Let me push it back and then we just push it back like this. This is for cable. So to pop up this, we pop this a little. We go easily like this and pop this. Pop it little, this. And there is two screws in the bottom. We remove that screw. There is almost two screws. Screw was in here already. Remove this. One screw. Okay, so then remove the AC panel. Just remove this AC panel. So you just need in here. Just you'll press this clip and then you remove it. Here is a clip. Remove this clip. So we have two screws more. So we have two screws. And this one. And this screw we have like 10 millimeter socket. Like the cable here, it takes. The button is also working. Everything is black. So we put these screws. Has only clips. You just plug and play. I had the kit, so just you press it like this back. Everything is like that. So now it's time for the AC panel. AC panel also.
Avenue Platon.
Also, it's just flat and it's got clean. So now we press again. So new rod is installed. Okay, this is our new rod.